Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you how to make Abura Soba. Abura Soba is literally translated into oil noodles, which is ramen noodles served with thick and oily soy sauce without broth. My son likes it very much and I wanted to make healthier version of this greasy dish. Let's get started. First, we are making Chashu pork. Cut your pork belly into the size of your Ziploc bag. Mix all the seasonings and marinate for at least 3 hours to overnight. The marinade is for the professional kitchen. You can skip some of the seasonings. Do not skip sugar and soy sauce. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Bake them for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Stick a skewer in the center. If the skewer is hot and the juice comes out translucent, it's done. Let it sit at least 30 minutes before cutting. Mix all the seasonings for Abura Soba sauce. They added double or triple fat at the restaurant. I used minimum amount of oil to make good Abura Soba. Pour 3 tablespoons of sauce into an individual ramen serving bowl. Chop your scallion and garlic chives and set aside. Slice your chashu pork into desired thickness. I bought thin ramen noodles from my grocery store, but you can also use somen noodles or even thin spaghetti would work. Put the noodles into boiling water and cook on high heat for a minute. Drain and remove the moisture as much as you can and transfer to a prepared bowl. Mix well and top with chashu, onsen tamago, and chopped scallion and garlic chives. Sprinkle sesame seed and chili pepper for the final touch. Serve it immediately while it is al dente. Enjoy as it is for the first bite. The aroma from the sesame oil and umami from the oyster sauce makes this noodle so flavorful. Mix with onsen tamago for the second slurp. The savory sauce and richness from the egg yolk makes the dish so unique. A little bit of pungent aroma from the scallion and garlic chives goes so well together with the sauce. And of course, the chashu pork tastes absolutely delicious. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up and share the recipe with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Tag me on your photo if you give it a try and let me share it with our beautiful community. Lastly, I highly recommend visiting my store on Amazon to start Japanese cooking. You can refer to the various kind of stuff that I listed. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!